afternoon. The dish we are going to prepare today for this program is a lovely dish. A fluffy dish. Eggs. But these aren't your ordinary eggs. No, these are not. These eggs have cheese. That's right. Lovely, sharp cheese. It's going to be delicious. Now, without any more lollygagging, let's go on and get to it. I'm not even British or Scottish or anything, whatever the fuck that was. I'm American, nigga. So I'm gonna drop the accent because that shit was hard. Let's go ahead and get the seasonings, right? I got salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and crushed red pepper. I fuck with peppers. So if you sneeze a lot, fuck out my kitchen. And I know you're probably thinking, Chef Fooodini, why do you need so much seasonings for cooking eggs? And I hear you, but all I have to say to that is season is dick. Anyway, let's go ahead and get these seasonings down. Fire's already started. Let's get these eggs out the fridge. And then we're gonna start cooking. Oh shit. And then we're gonna start cooking. You know what I mean? Alright, it doesn't matter. Bam, throw one egg in that bitch. Fuck, we big shots. Throw 2 eggs in that bitch. Bang. Famous chef once told me, this chef's name was Randy Regis. He's a great chef, world-renowned chef, really good at cooking peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. He told me the best way to cook eggs is 10 seconds on the fire, 10 seconds off the fire. Great technique. Makes the fluffiest, the best eggs in the world. Another one. A little bit of black peppers, right? Shredded joints. Put that bitch in there. You feel me? Get some salt. Bang, bang, boom. Easy money. That's been about 10 seconds. You get it out. You make it dance. So yeah, I think just make that shit dance. Make it dance. Put it back on 10 seconds. On the clock. Pick it back up. Make that shit dance. See what I'm saying? How it's nice and almost fluffy. Boom, boom, biggity bang. Niner game. Put it back on. 10 seconds. 2, 3, 7, 8, 10. Boom, bitch. That's all you gotta do. Bring it back up. Make that shit dance. See, it's already fucking fluffy than a bitch. Look at that. Come on. That's the last one. You let it dance. This one will get the cheese. Matter of fact, you want one of those. Clean that shit up. Hey, with the cheese. Split down. Let that motherfucker melt. Turn that heat off. Chef Fooodini. Delicious eggs. I'm the greatest. How do you know you're the greatest? Because I'm going to let you know right now after I taste it. God damn. I didn't think it was going to taste as good. Hold on, let me get another handful. Come back next episode.